Just done her bath at this early. Tugnaw taon ko ayun tubig. Uy! But it's okay. Come on! Magbe! Come on, let's comb our hair. Let's comb baby Martina's hair. She's so fresh now and active. The good thing she never cried. Sagbugnaw kayo. Come on! Uy! Martina, come on. Let's comb. Patay. It's 20 minutes to 2 and Martina is starting to get grumpy. But we wanted to watch our show and we didn't want her to sleep because it's quite late already. So her mom decided to arrange her toys over here so that she likes it and she will not sleep. So yes, it's arranged already and hopefully she will not take her nap. So well, that's good though. Martina, hi baby. Martina, so that we can also watch our show. Martina, hi. Yay, it's nice. Good job. We are watching anyway, guys. Of course, crime show. It's The Staircase. So, bye. Bye, Martina. Bye, baby. She got her shows over there too. Bye, guys. Aha ka na. Stop. She's watching Diana. Roma.
Okay.
Ay, super duper. Oh. Wow, fresh da. So fresh. Goodness. And look at the time, guys. See? It's 4. God. Don't you agree? Hi, baby. What are you doing? Are you playing? Wow. Baby. Good job. Hi. Yes. Okay. All night I long with you. I know you gotta feel like the best. Oh, sleep, Sia. Okay. Love, babies. Toto. Okay. Wow. Count 1. Count how many, baby? Wow. Uy. Love mo na, uy. Uh-oh. Yay, love. Wow. Sleep. Uh-oh. Uy. The other one, oh? Other one. Wow. Okay. Wow. Uh-oh. Oy, baby. Love. Good job. This. Other one. Okay. 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 Bye-bye. Where are you going? Mama Martina, where are you going? Our Inday is again giving birth. Oh my God, 7 puppies and baby Martina.
What date is today?
Today is January 27. So
Inday gives birth this morning.
yeah, January 27. Like all of a sudden we hear this little squeaks under the bed. Under the bed. And
I'm
yeah.
that scared that Martina
Yeah, we'll wake up. Might wake
wake
up.
up because
Hi, baby Martina. You have a baby.
What's their
now.
name?
Uy.
Bantong.
Kitty.
Okay.
Doggy. Hi, doggy. Hala, dara. Mama.
You tell them.
Day.
Martina,
So
you tell
cute.
them, please adapt.
Please adopt these dogs, guys. Naghana ni. Look at them. Cute them. Martina, smile. Ngoing, ngoing, ngoing. Tut, 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 tut.
Careful lang.
Parehag mga naong tanan. 5 males and 2 females. Hi.
I love you.
Oh, no.
Careful with them, ha? I'll just put.
Ay, baby. Baby man ni sila. Uy. Ay, baby.
Bantong. What's the name? Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis, siete.
7 pa.
Kiss. Kiss nila. Wake up.
Wake up. They're sleeping, no? Di pa ba sila wake up? They're not waking up yet. So cute.
Ma-abdar ako bantong.
This is yours?
Strawberries.
Oh, strawberries. Good job. That's yours. Which one do you like to eat?
This one.
No, that's Mama. Where is yours?
Wala.
That one and which one do you like?
This one.
Yeah, okay. This is yours, Pringles, and the biscuit. This is mine. Yes. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Hi. You're happy? 7-Eleven, and I bought some snacks because as usual we are watching Captive Netflix series, guys. Very good. About kidnapping. Hi, what can you say? Shh. Let's eat. Let's eat. Hi guys, it's January 30th and it is the third day of not having internet. And that's what baby Martina does. Actually, this is the first time I took a video of this. Like, we don't have internet. I don't have any My Story in Facebook. Like, oh my god, we just reloaded our phone so that we can have net. Hi! I'll try to buy SIM card later tomorrow to myself because oh my god, this is so grr. So that's what she's been doing, guys. Wait. Nana, dihang bus stop day, no? Hi.
Hello guys. It's what? 2 a.m.
Yeah, I think it's 2 a.m. already, and we're here outside because Baktin wants to
Stroll around.
stroll. It's a cold evening, guys. It's not raining, but the wind is so cold. It's been raining for the couple days now.
Sa puno bitaw no kay para aron magpag-uba simento ray. Gastuhon.
Hi, yes. Hi. We're still walking.
Nawala gud ang gidani.
Natina, shh, taga ka. Okay, go. Slowly. Go. Go. Slowly. Hi, thumbs up. Home from walking outside. Whew.
You're tired?
Are you tired?
Yep.
Okay.
Baso
and time is. That's the time, guys. It's 2:40. Yeah. So that's it. Bye. Good. She's watching her favorite, Diana and Roma. Look at her. So cute. Just watching, baby. Ah, that's her favorite show. Smile. Hi. Smile. What the? What is that? It's a picture? Baby Martina? Can I see the picture?
Baby finger, where are you? Show 'em. How do you do? Daddy's finger, where are you? Baby finger, where? Here I am. Baby finger.
She's watching Diana. Hi, baby. She likes to watch her show.